I'm working on replacing the webbing under my driver's seat for the Morris Minor. I got it up here propped up on a workbench. As you can see, the old straps have deteriorated and broken, and I'm replacing them with what you see here in the middle, which is a piece of a retractable seat belt webbing that I ended up with a bunch of after the restoration. And so I've pop riveted hoops in the end of the strap, and I've got the fitting in there, and I'm getting ready to try and hook it in place. It's going to be a stretch because I tried to make it kind of tight, so we'll see what happens. That really went pretty easily. I was able to use the needle nose pliers to put one side of the clip in its hole, and then I took a screwdriver and pushed on the other side to get it up in there, and it's stretched pretty tight. Probably could have stood to be a little bit tighter, but that's what I'm going to go with on this thing. I cut this to 17 inches, and they all seem to be the same, so I'm just going to make a bunch of them up at 17. It gets tough here in the back because the hog rings for the seat back go around the clips that hold the straps in place. I was going to try and get the clips out of the hog rings, but I think I'm going to have to break down and undo the hog rings. God, I hate hog rings. But that's part of the hobby. Okay, I've done what I'm going to do on this thing for right now. Got 6 new straps in. They're all pop riveted around the little spring attachment devices that come with it, and I left the last old strap in because it's hog ringed into either side here, holding all the back together, and undoing that would take this project a lot deeper than I want to go right now. So I'm going to leave that strap in and see how things go. Can always come back. But I think this will be a vast improvement over what I had before with the 3 or 4 broken straps.